stole it. Running on the daddy bitch too fast, I can't control it.
That motherfucker is hard. Oh my god. Roll the window down. That motherfucker hard.
That motherfucker is hard.
That motherfucker hard.
They probably looking like.
Nah, they know what's going on. That shit got that.
Oh, look.
Oh my god, I gotta go wild body, bro. I can't wait to go wild body, bro. Damn. And it's mad with the blue badges. That shit hard. Trying to get these dirty ass brakes redone, y'all. Y'all see how dirty and dark they is? They're not even yellow no more. But the back one's still yellow. So I'm about to get these redone. Go back with the badges. The whole dirty as hell. Those are black. They don't even look right. Getting them redone right now. We at Fast and Friendly. Tires too. They bought this there. See, the back one don't get as dirty as the front ones. Dirty as hell. Got all that tire. New tires ASAP. That motherfucker bald in here. This one not that bad, but shit really is. Nigga didn't even paint the back. Like, you still see the red. Shit. And then he taxed me to goddamn paint the old 400. Nigga ain't even do the red. The back. Back's still red. Bro, what the fuck?
Bro, the nigga left the sticker on. Not even a sticker. This supposed to come off.
Yeah. Nigga, yeah.
Oh, you need your money back, twin. Yeah, you need your money back.
What the hell is you, what's that you spraying right there? That shit go crazy.
You need, I ain't gonna lie, your shit was just black. I ain't know if you seen it before I got that spray though.
Yeah, I seen it. That shit been like that for a while.
That's all you need, bro. If you wash your own cars, down one new bitch there, once in a while, hit that bitch.
That shit yellow as hell, man.
When you pour it in, I'm like, damn. See, that side yellow, this side black.
Right, right.
Oh, that boy got that two-tone motherfucker.
Watch how this shit change, bro. This shit finna go from black to yellow.
Damn, Joey, who the fuck you think you is?
Calipers was red before.
Ain't no gloss to the bit at night.
Joy, you made the motherfucker.
police motherfucker right there. Motherfucker look like 12. Damn, the whole dude look good. Yeah, that's the real goddamn red right there. The whole look good as hell.
It's your real gangster.
Nah, hell nah. Yeah, he did a good job on them calipers. Man, crazy. Shit look way better.
I mean the red one's gonna fit. That was red. That's not red. It's the red pole, yeah. Hey Trav, you good? You good? I don't need it no more. Bro. Yo. Hey Danny, grab that Jackson. Jack it up.
Alright. Tire change, all new tires. Them Brembos look good. I just gotta get the badge to match the brakes, cause it really don't match it. If you can't tell on camera though, but you probably can. But I just gotta get the badges to match the yellow now. Hey, the tire you sold me is flat. The tire you sold me got a hole in it, the back one.
Which one?
The back left one. It got a whole hole in it. You gotta get me right, bro. You just fucked up my room. Come look at it.
Yeah, look on. You can wait in the car.
You finna have me wait in line?
Yeah, because these are one tires. I just want to quickly take them. There's no how you can come in front of them.
Bro,
Can it be the other? Yeah, it's really
the tire got a whole hole in it. You gotta I can't wait. I've been waiting here long enough. I can't wait in line. You gotta goddamn get me right, bro.
Can you jump over them now?
Huh?
Can you see the cars over here? Is it possible
You could bring the shit over here or something, bro. I've been waiting here too long. You see what I'm saying? I'm not finna wait in line again. You sold me a tire with a hole in it. You see what I'm saying? You gotta do something. You gotta compensate me or something. You see what I'm saying? I've been already waiting in line. I done waited in the line. I've been here for an hour or two.
See, all this what you're talking now, does this solve the problem?
You gotta do something. Do you get what I'm saying? What the hell? You need more workers or something, my boy. You need something. This shit ain't it. What the fuck? Nigga gonna sell me a tire with a hole in it. The fuck? This nigga got So what you gonna do about it?
Huh?
What you gonna do about it?
I'm gonna take it out and see.
Huh?
Or else, if you're gonna add money and get a new one, because you know I told you I have only two and I showed it over there. I know you are angry, but you don't have to be angry like that because I didn't do it intentionally.
It messed up my room. Like
But the tire didn't break off. It's still on the rim. The tire is still on the rim. I didn't do it intentionally. If you know, if where you get mad at me is maybe I just intentionally do something for you. At least you see, even I check it in the water.
The hole. Take the tire out. It's a fat ass hole in the tire. I don't know how you didn't notice that when you was putting it on.
I checked it in the water and it didn't bubble. Had it been
when you put air in it, you can hear the air coming out. So I don't know how you.
When I put it here,
I stopped at the gas station and put air in it. When you put air in it, you can hear the air coming out the tire.
Yeah, but it wasn't coming out like that here.
I don't know.
If it was coming out here, how can I give it to you? When I have new one, I would have given you new one.
Just take it off. Just take it off.
Lately been popping my shit, how I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the glitz. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in an inch. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in a second. I caught that boy lagging, he died with it weapon. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch a op, I'ma send on the heaven.